Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and deep forests, there lived two close friends, Arjun and Rowan. One day they decided to embark on an adventure into the nearby forest. Before stepping into the thick greenery, they reassured each other, "We are best friends. No matter what happens, we will always stand by each other." With that promise, they ventured into the dense forest, marveling at the towering trees, the rustling leaves, and the sounds of chirping birds. They laughed and talked, enjoying the beauty of nature. As they walked deeper into the woods, a sudden rustling noise made them stop in their tracks. Their hearts pounded as they saw a large, ferocious bear emerge from behind a bush. The bear was huge, with dark fur, sharp claws, and piercing eyes. It growled, sniffing the air, and slowly started moving toward them. Fear gripped both friends. Without thinking twice, Rowan, who was quick and agile, spotted a tall tree nearby and immediately climbed it. He did not look back, nor did he think about his friend. He just wanted to save himself. Arjun, however, did not know how to climb trees. His heart raced as he realized he had no escape. But he was clever and had heard that bears do not attack dead creatures. Using his wit, he quickly lay down on the ground, holding his breath and remaining as still as a corpse. The bear slowly approached Arjun, sniffing around him. It nudged him with its nose, sniffing near his ears. Arjun stayed completely motionless, not even blinking. After a few moments, the bear grunted and, believing that the boa was dead, turned around and lumbered away into the depths of the forest. Rowan, who had been watching everything from the safety of the tree, felt relieved. When he was sure the bear was gone, he climbed down and rushed toward Arjun. With a sheepish smile, he said, "That was close. Thank goodness the bear didn't attack you. When I saw it come near your ear, it almost looked like it whispered something to you. What did it say?" Arjun stood up, brushed off the dirt from his clothes, and looked at Rowan with a deep sadness in his eyes. "The bear taught me a valuable lesson," he said. "It advised me never to trust a friend who abandons you in times of danger." Rohan's face turned red with shame. He realized his mistake, but knew that his selfish act had cost him the trust of his best friend. From that day on, Arjun and Rowan were no longer the same. Though they still lived in the same village, the bond they once shared had been broken forever. Moral of the story: a true friend is one who stands by you in difficult times, not one who abandons you in moments of fear.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.